How are you now?
I'm fine. I'm D25, 2663, and I'm 40 years old and widow. I have 4 children. The eldest is boy, 21-year-old boy, 18 years old female, then 8 years old male, then 1-year-old female.
Okay.
Girl.
Your educational background?
High school graduate.
Do you have working experience as a helper?
Yes.
Where?
Here in Philippines.
For how many years?
For 5 years.
How many members of the family?
4.
How many elderly?
1.
How old?
64.
How many children?
1.
How old?
1-year-old.
Your household chores?
I do washing and cleaning the house, car washing, and ironing.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No,
Are you willing to learn?
but I'm willing to learn.
What is your reason to work in Hong Kong?
To support my child study and to
Okay.
help my parents.
Do you know how to teach the children?
Yes.
What subject?
Basic math and English.
Do you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes.
Do you have a nursery rhyme?
Yeah.
Sing it.
My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head.
Okay. What will you do if the baby is sick?
First, I will check the temperature and I immediately inform my employer.
How do you handle a situation where the children in your care are fighting?
I'll calmly separate the children and listen to their children, each side of the story.
Okay. In taking care of member of the house, which one you like the most?
Children,
Why children?
because they look like my children.
Okay. If somebody wants to enter in your employer's house, what will you do?
I will call immediately my employer.
Which part of your employer's house should be kept clean at all times?
The kitchen and the toilet to avoid food poisoning.
Okay. If you accidentally damage something in your employer's house, what will you do?
I will tell my employer and apologize to them and I will promise to replace it.
Okay. What will you do if your employer give instructions that you don't understand?
I will ask to repeat them to follow the instruction.
Okay. Are you afraid of dogs?
Yes, the big dog.
Do you have any special skills?
Yes,
Like?
sewing, mending, and taking care of the children.
Okay. Are you willing to attend training or workshops to improve your skills?
Yes,
How do you overcome your homesickness?
busy for working.
Okay. Message for your future employer.
Hi ma'am sir, if you hire me, I promise to do my job and I will finish my contract.
Love their family as if your own.
Yes,
Follow all of the rules and regulations.
yes. Thank you ma'am sir, bye.